one of the students, she sent me the question here. She said, hey, could you please help me with this question here? I'm very good at trigonometric question, but I don't know, for some reason I cannot get this question right. She's doing high school, so she said, please help me. I will need you to help me for this whenever you can. I understand it's no right to wake you up this early 4 a.m., but I truly appreciate. So let's help her. You know, because I'm a man of helping people whenever I can. So let's get time a little and explain and break this down question. Okay, don't waste your time. Let's go through the question. So this is a question right here. The question says you're gonna have to prove like what we see there. So I'll tell you student all the time, right? If somebody asks you to prove all the time, make sure you look on the left hand side and right hand side. When you want to prove 2 sine x, so if 2 sine x, you don't need this. Okay, let's go to the business. I'll explain to you very well. Okay, so that's your question right there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna check left hand side. I'm gonna check left hand side. Excuse me. So all the time, whenever you ask this type of question, right, you want to prove this equal to that one. Look what you have on the right hand side. You want to prove sine x. So, but if you look at the left, you have a sign of triple x, means 3x. So you don't need 3x face. That's what you see face. So you try to identify how you want to go there. So you do not need these 3x. You're gonna have to use trigonometric formulas to break the 3x. Sine x is safe. Don't worry about this 2, right? Excuse me. You want to prove 2 sine x. So just look what you want to have here at the end. Sine x 1, and this is cos of 2x. First of all, I don't need even cos. It has to be sine. And second and third, these 2x should not be 2x. It has to be x. So I'm going to make it x. So now we have to use trigonometric formulas to break them down. Okay, use double angle, and this we're going to use compound. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to take left hand side. Let me put this page here. I'm going to take left hand side. So I'll say check. So check left. I hope everybody can see that. So check left hand side. Let me recall my left hand side. So on my left hand side is say sine 3x. So that's sine 3x, and the plus sine of x over 1 plus cos of 2x. Cos of 2x. Excuse me. Okay, so let's go. So like I say, we're going to have to prove this equal to 2 sine x. Equal to 2 sine x. See? So look, like I say, you don't need this triple angle. It has to be double angle. And also you don't need this. Okay, so I'm going to say, but a not face. Not. Let me start with the not face. Look, if somebody gives you sine A plus B, this is a compound formula. So this time we say sine A, and they say cos B. If this plus is also become plus, and then what you do for compound, see this sign, say cos, like make it cos. So cos, don't worry about your A, and then this is cos, you say sine. So we say sine of B. So now, like we say, we're gonna have to break this. Why we break it, like I say, because you don't need triple, so I'm gonna make it as a compound. So I'm gonna say sine 3x. Instead we say sine x plus 2x. Also, let me break in compound. So this gonna be sine x cos of 2x, and I'll say plus. See this sign is gonna be cos now. And you see this is cos gonna be sine of 2x. Okay, so I know this part here. This one is okay because I want to prove sine x. This one don't bother about it. Okay, cos of 2x. Cos of 2x also I could break it. So but what I have to break in terms of sign. So it's okay. Also cos of double angle of x, but there's two ways of changing the cos of double angle. But because one our final answer has to be sine, so this can be equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. Whoever who understand this little theorem of trigonometric, just feel free leave the comments there, and I can always break down for you. But I have a lot of videos that you can go back and watch them. Okay, but just know cos of double angle 2x equal to 1 minus sine square. So what we're going to do now, we're going to substitute into this equation here, this equation, and you have to solve finally. We have to get 2 sine x. So sine of triple x, I know, equal to this one. So I'm going to say okay. So now I'm going to say, plug it in. So now we're going to say, okay, let's substitute there. So sine of 3x is going to be equal to, it's going to be equal to sine x cos 2x plus cos x sine of 2x, and then have a plus, which is this one, see, and the sine x. And at the bottom, 1 is just 1 plus cos of 2x. We know cos of 2x is 1 minus 2 sine square x. Okay, so now we have a sine, we don't have a sine. This is double angle of sine, so we have to break this double angle of sine into, okay, so we're going to say sine cos x plus cos x. What is sine of double angle? Sine of double angle is 2 sine x cos x, and you have a plus sine x, and over 1 plus 1 equal to 2, and then this is 2, and then it's going to be minus 2 sine square x. Okay, so now look, we have a sine x, we have a sine x, we have a sine x in the 3 groups. What do you mean when you say 3 groups? Because look, you have a sine, you have a plus, and you have a sine. So this is the first group, and this is the second group, and this is the third groups. Okay, so I'm gonna say, okay, so let me factor out the sine. So sine went out, and then we're gonna be left with cos. Okay, so we say that we have a sine x here. No, excuse me. So we have a sine x here. Yes, there's a little mistake here, right? Look, this, the way I substituted here is wrong. Sine 3x is sine x cos 2x. Sine x cos 2x is 2x. Excuse me. So when you take out sine x, means here it's going to be cos 2x, and then plus, if you take out sine x, we're going to be left with 2 cos square x, and the plus just 1, and then over 2 also could go out, we'll be left with 1 minus sine square x. Perfect. Now we go, I don't need cos double angle, and I don't need this also, it has to be sine. So say sine x. What is cos double angle? 1 minus 2 sine square x plus this also, I don't need cos square. Cos square is 1 minus sine square x plus 1. Okay, over 2 1 minus sine square x. So now I can expand it, but look, 1 plus 1 equals 2. So I'm going to say I have my sine x here. Everybody can see 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 2 sine x. We multiply in, this is going to be plus 2, and multiply in is going to be, made a mistake here, excuse me. 2 cos square is 1 minus sine. Yeah, now there's no mistake. So multiply in 2, and the multiply in is going to be minus 2 sine square x. This one is gone. This one and this one, they gave us what? 2. And they have a 2 minus sine x, and they multiply in. You got that one. Okay. Here we go. So now we say over 2 bracket 1 minus sine square x. So now look, 2 plus 2 equals 4. Negative 2 sine square minus negative 2, negative 4. Let me check in this page. Another page, shoot me. So then we're gonna have, and put it this one here. So then we're gonna have sine x, and then 2 plus 2 equals 4, and the other one's going to be minus 4 sine square x, and then over 2 1 sine square x. I hope everybody can see that. Okay, we have 4 could go out, so we have a sine x, and then we take this 4 out to factorize, so we're going to be left with 1 minus sine square x bracket. We have a 2 1 minus sine square x. So come on, look man, these are the same thing, so let's cancel them. So now we have 4, and also 4 divided by 2 equals 2. Remember 4 2. So finally we have 2 sine x, 2 sine x. So we have proved that sine 3x plus sine x over 1 plus equal to 2 sine x. Okay, so if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Thank you for your time. Now we'll go for the next question. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it.